I didn't spray my face. Hey guys, we're back. It's been a minute, but yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but I got some decent lighting, so hopefully I am lit up pretty well. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and yeah, I got an Instagram, by the way. I think I mentioned that in my last video, but anyways, today we're gonna do Boxycharm. I already watched Kathleen's video on this. I usually wait until I get mine, but I was impatient because I don't want to get excited to get something in the box and then be disappointed when I don't get it, if that makes sense. But I was getting impatient, so I went ahead and watched her video. But anyways, this is the box. We'll open her up. The theme is sunshine, so that's cool. So the first thing in the box that I see is this thing, which it's like one of those little things that you like put your brush in to like clean it between like colors if you're doing like eye look or something. Wait, I already have one, but this one's from BH Cosmetics. I've had this for a hot minute. It's definitely coming towards the end of its time, so I think this came at the perfect time. So I am excited. I'm so excited for these. I saw Kathleen get these in her box and I was like, yes. However, I can't use these anytime soon because I have colored hair. So yeah. But anyways, these are the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, but I got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream in a box like forever ago, and apparently these smell just like it, and it's the same brand. So I'm excited for these when I can use them, but they're gonna go in the vault for now because I can't use them anytime soon. Next in the box we have, oh shoot, hold on. The price of this thing is $17. It's by the brand Lavish. Honestly, you could probably make one of these yourself. I would not pay $17. I got mine from BH Cosmetics. I don't think it was that much. I mean, I know it wasn't $17, but I don't think it was like that much in general. But anyways, and the shampoo and conditioner is $24. And these are obviously like travel size. Okay, next in the box we have this. This is the, I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster with watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. So it's a serum. I've already like cleansed my face and stuff, so I'm gonna try this. This is $49.95. This is $50. Skincare is expensive, that's for sure. But I'm gonna try it. We're gonna get to work. Okay, so I just put that on. It's leaving my face a little sticky, which, I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm kind of using it as a primer, kind of, but I don't know. This is something that you'd have to like use on a regular basis for a little bit before you can, before you know if it is really doing anything. So I will have to give you guys an update. Next in the box we have this. This is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Now, as I mentioned in a previous video, I like matte skin. I like a matte complexion, but I would like this for like a prepping spray maybe, and I might end up using it just for the sake of the video as a finishing spray as well. But for right now, I'm going to use it as a prepping spray. It smells like you can smell the coconut, but there's also something else in there. I don't know what it is. What is it? It's almost like alcohol. Like you can smell alcohol, which I mean kind of makes sense for like a setting spray, I guess, but yeah, I don't know. we'll see. But do I look dewy? I look dewy in the mirror. I don't know if you guys can see. If I turn my light down, maybe. I don't know. And now there's one more thing in the box, but I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and then we will catch up. Okay, we're back. I have not all of my makeup done, but enough to where, do you guys see that? I have like lines on my face. I think it's from that. No, I don't know what that's from. Oh, I think it's from this. Yeah, it's from the light reflecting on the mirror, so I apologize for that, but I need my mirror, so. Anyways, last thing in the box is this little guy, or big guy. It is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. I don't know if they have different like shades. I would assume that they do, or yeah, different shades, different for like different skin tones. This one is really dark though, like real dark. Like, yeah, I will probably never ever use this shade, but that's okay. It's better than getting a light one where I can only use one shade. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited for this because I kind of need more bronzer options. I only have one really, and I like Ace Beauty. So far, the two palettes that I have from them I really like. No, yeah, two palettes that I have from them I really like. So yeah, so I'm ready for bronzer. I want to try to use as much of this as possible. I'm gonna we'll take this shade right here and this really fluffy brush. This is the, no idea, but it's like really fluffy. I'm gonna try to contour a little bit. I know contouring really isn't a thing, but I kind of want to use as much of this palette as possible instead of just one shade. So yeah. That shade passes. I don't know if I'll ever be able to use this shade. Depends on how tan I get. With me moving to Florida, I'm probably gonna get pretty tan, so I don't know. But now I'm gonna use this shade to actually like bronze and stuff. I feel like I could probably use a little bit of this because right now it's doing a good amount on the cheeks, but the forehead, it's a little, granted it's hard for me to like really dig in there because of the pan size, but I'm probably gonna regret this, but I'm gonna try a little bit of this just on the forehead, the darkest shade. That's the last thing in the box. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then I'll come back for my final thoughts. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Damn it. Okay, this is $30. And what else did I use? I didn't tell you the price of this, I think. The setting spray is $22. So, yeah. But I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then I will come back for my final thoughts. Okay, so I got the rest of my makeup done. I'm actually gonna use this to set my face. I usually don't like a dewy finish, but I'm gonna do it anyways for the same video. It's whatever. This spray is very aggressive. Not like aggressive, but it's definitely not a fine spray. It's an even spray though, which is good, but it's definitely not fine, which is okay, but it's just so you know. Anyways, final thoughts. Haven't used these yet, but I'm excited to try them. I might just go ahead and use them anyways because my color's fading anyways. But yeah, I'm excited to try these. I haven't smelled them yet. Hold on. I didn't want to take the seals off, but I want to smell them. smells so good. It smells just like the Bum Bum cream. I don't even know where that is. I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of sad. Is that bad? Oh well. Anyways, this, actually, I didn't spray my face I didn't spray my face too much, but actually, I kind of like it. It's not too dewy, too shiny. Like, it doesn't look like I have oil all over my face, so I actually kind of like it. I don't know. Interesting. This stuff, I don't know. It's something that I'm not gonna have to use. Wow. It's something that I'm gonna have to use more than once, obviously. But it does make my face sticky, which I'm not a huge fan of. However, once I put my makeup on and like set my face and stuff with powder, it didn't seem to be super sticky. It's a little sticky now because of the setting spray, but yeah, I don't know. This I really like. Yeah, it's a good one. So overall, pretty successful box. It didn't have a lot of makeup in it, which is fine, but I personally like getting makeup rather than like skincare and random stuff like shampoo and stuff like that, but that's just me. Really only 2 makeup products, I guess, if you would even consider this a makeup product. But anyways, I liked it though, so that's good. But that's it. That's the video. Very quick, much shorter than my last unboxing, but that was because I was having troubles with that one. So yeah, but follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I think that's it. Bye.